I don't have a choice. I can't evacuate. I need content for this week's YouTube video. I think it's beginning to rain. Let me check. I hear little dribbly noises. Yep, it's raining. It's a little bit thundering, but I've had worse thundering on just like a regular rainy day. Is that water? Wait, no, what? That can't be water. That's wind. Oh my gosh. No. My lights flickered. Oh, it's really windy. Oh my god, is my wall curvy? I'm just delusional from lack of sleep. Oh my god, the lights just went off. Oh my god, oh my gosh, 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 oh my gosh. Oh no. No, 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 no. No, no. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm genuinely so scared right now. I'm gonna hide under my blankets. Hi, it's me. I'm underneath my blankets because my lights went out and I'm really scared. Bro, my phone's at 20% and my lights went off, so there's obviously no electricity, so I can't charge. I'm still in the dark and I felt my entire room shake. Like, I'm not even exaggerating. Like, my bed, it shook. Shout out to Luke. Luke, if you're watching this, you're a G. You're a real one. He was the only one awake at 4 to comfort me when I was scared of the dark. Love you. Make him TikTok famous. This is his username. Hello?
I don't know what.
We're in a hurricane. There's no lights and you farted. Hi vlog, I'm at 9%. The hurricane's moving 8 miles an hour, so I'm gonna go to sleep. Not really, but I can't waste phone battery, actually. Sis came through with that portable charger. Hey guys, I'm back. It's like 6 and we still have no electricity and I'm still really scared of the dark, so I have my iPad over there and I just like turn it on full brightness and letting it stay on overnight, even though it's like morning now. And I have the balcony room, so the door keeps pushing in because of the wind and I'm scared. So basically this is what my room looks like. That's my only light source. Oh my god, I think I just saw police lights. That's the balcony door. When does the sun rise? I should Google it. Guys, I found out that the sun rises at 6:56. I have less than an hour. I'm really happy. If the sun doesn't rise in 30 minutes, I'm throwing hands at the sun. It's getting bright. Light is coming. There's light. Oh my gosh. Can't believe you guys are seeing a hurricane in real time. I feel like I'm scared of the darkness, but obviously like my door is like getting pushed in and it's making noises and stuff. But I wonder if I'm gonna be scared when it's light and my door still pushes in. I don't know, but it's getting pretty bright outside, which I'm happy for. Look, you guys. It's light outside. It's still raining a lot, but it's light. Oh, my entire room vibrated. Oh my gosh. So good thing I don't think I need my iPad as a light source anymore because it's pretty bright outside and I think I will feel safe enough to go to sleep. It's 6:56, sunrise, even though the sun's kind of been up. But yeah, still a hurricane, but at least I can see my bed, so that's good. Look how crazy fast the clouds are moving. Oh my gosh, my hand is like on my window and I can feel it shaking. Look how fast the clouds are moving. That's insane. Wind speeds are like 125 miles per hour. And this hurricane's moving really slow. It's moving 8 miles an hour. Whoa, my window just shook again. The street's actually not really flooded. I thought it was, but it's not. I guess, yeah. I guess my neighborhood has good train systems and strategically placed trains. Or maybe I'm just at the edge where there is a drain. But it's not really that flooded. I think also my house is a little higher up. Well, like where I live is a little higher up on my street. Yeah. So you can totally see the wind. Why is it getting worse? I know I said I was gonna go to sleep, but I'm actually not that tired. I'm a little bit sleepy, but I'm not really that sleepy, and I can stay up for 24 hours if I wanted to. So, it's been really fun staying up almost all night, and I showed you all I could. I think I'm gonna go to sleep now. If the hurricane's not over, I'm gonna go to sleep, and then I'm gonna wake up, and then I'll film more of the hurricane. I just woke up. It's 11:23. I only got 4 hours of sleep, but what's new? It's still raining outside. You can probably hear it. Who? A dog? It's been raining all night. This is my other street. Oh, what a beautiful raindrop. You can't see anything. Yeah. It's rain. Rain droplets. Yes. It's rain floofies. We still have no electricity, so that sucks. The clouds be moving fast. This cool. Oh my gosh, it's doggy again. Clouds moving fast. So our power went out. So like the refrigerator is not cold and we have milk in there. And I wonder if it went bad because I really want cereal and milk right now. Oh, I should also check if my stove fire works because I was contemplating that last night. But first, brush my teeth. Okay, just made cereal. Still be raining.
One of our neighbor's fence is going down. Can't see it right now. Right now it's up. See, it's bending. Dang, he probably just paid for that, right? Every time I move, it stays clear. I know, our palm tree is so cute. That's me and Mei last night. Oh, look at that was Daddy last night. When he opened the front door and didn't tell us, and we thought we were getting a home burglary on top of the hurricane.
Oh my gosh, look at my bushes. My bushes. Turn it on. It's on the cellular. My bushes rolling around. Rain. Update. Clouds are still moving super fast. And I still have no electricity. It's 12 something. 12:48. I have nothing to do. So I think I'm gonna take a nap. Good night. It's 4:46 and I just woke up from my nap and I slept for 3 hours. It's not raining outside anymore. I don't know if you can still hear like my door like pushing in, but it's still really windy outside. Wish my lights would come back on. Nope, they still don't come back on. Okay, let me show you guys what it looks like outside. Oh, never mind, I guess it is raining a little bit. The weather is drivable. I think I'm gonna go downstairs and see what my sister and my parents are doing. Yeah, I'm going back in. Lost to Dorian.
I can't wait to drive out and see what's happening and possibly die. But it's fine, because I'm hungry.
We're going out. I don't know why I'm walking so slow. It's raining. Open! In the car. Oh my goodness, that tree fell.
The traffic light.
Oh my god, the traffic lights.
It's broken. It's
Oh
red. It was
my god,
red,
the
but
whoa, the sign
See,
fell. The lights really rolling around. The sunset's so beautiful. Look at it, Mimi. Look, it's so pretty. This is the beauty after the storm. Are the houses lights on? No, they look dark. They look dark. Wait! Is that a light?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, we have lights.
Yes, we do have.
Oh my gosh, that house has a light on. We have light. I posted a Hurricane Dorian TikTok and I thought it was really funny. This is it. And I made my account public. So if I get famous off of this, I'm quitting YouTube. I'm just kidding. Ayo, Hurricane Dorian check.
Everything is fine when you're standing in the eye of the hurricane. Here comes the sun, here comes the rain. Standing in the eye of the hurricane. Here comes the sun, here comes the rain.
I'm back home. I ate dinner. I had noodles and dumplings and I had a tea. So that was nice. And I eat my dumplings with hot sauce, so my mouth's really on fire right now. But I'm pretty sure the hurricane's over. Like, it's going to North Carolina right now. It was still kind of windy. It was raining a little bit. It's not raining that much right now. And I don't think it's that windy either. And it's nighttime outside, so you can't see anything. It's raining a little bit. It's not really that windy at all. I have light, so that's great. I have light, and I have Wi-Fi. And I have refrigeration, so that's all I need in life. Light, Wi-Fi, food. It's been a riveting experience. Hated almost every second of it. So that's gonna be the end of this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. If you like me, subscribe to me. And if you wanna comment something, comment down below if you have a phobia, because I'm super scared of the dark, as you can tell from this video. I was freaking out. I'm a little bit scared of heights and I'm a little bit scared of bugs, but not as much as I'm scared of the dark. So if you have an irrational fear, comment that down below. If you're not scared of anything, comment down below that you're a baddie and you're not scared of anything. See you guys next week.